Welcome to Quizport. Guess the animal by its species. Each category is a new challenge. Let's see which category you can guess the most. Let's begin. Land mammal. Guess the animal. It's dog. Guess the animal. It's cat. Guess the animal. It's horse. Guess the animal. It's cow. Guess the animal. It's pig. Guess the animal. It's sheep. Guess the animal. It's goat. Guess the animal. It's deer. Guess the animal. It's elk. Guess the animal. It's moose.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal has the strongest bite? A wolf, B. Grizzly bear, C. Lion. The answer is grizzly bear.
Guess the animal. It's bison. Guess the animal. It's bear. Guess the animal. It's wolf. Guess the animal. It's fox. Guess the animal. It's raccoon. Guess the animal. It's squirrel. Guess the animal. It's chipmunk. Guess the animal. It's rabbit. Guess the animal. It's mouse. Guess the animal. It's rat.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater? A. Beaver, B. Otter, C. Raccoon. The answer is beaver.
Guess the animal. It's beaver. Guess the animal. It's otter. Guess the animal. It's skunk. Guess the animal. It's coyote. Guess the animal. It's mountain lion. Guess the animal. It's bobcat. Guess the animal. It's lynx. Guess the animal. It's elephant. Guess the animal. It's giraffe. Guess the animal. It's zebra.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal has the longest claws? A. Sloth, B. Tiger, C. Lion. The answer is sloth.
Guess the animal. It's kangaroo. Guess the animal. It's koala. Guess the animal. It's panda. Guess the animal. It's monkey. Guess the animal. It's gorilla. Guess the animal. It's chimpanzee. Guess the animal. It's lion. Guess the animal. It's tiger. Guess the animal. It's leopard. Guess the animal. It's hippopotamus.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal can turn its stomach inside out to eat? A. Starfish. B. Octopus. C. Crab. The answer is starfish.
Now, birds. Flying animals. Guess the animal. It's eagle. Guess the animal. It's bald eagle. Guess the animal. It's hawk. Guess the animal. It's falcon. Guess the animal. It's owl. Guess the animal. It's sparrow. Guess the animal. It's pigeon. Guess the animal. It's dove. Guess the animal. It's crow. Guess the animal. It's raven.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal can rotate its ears independently? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Rabbit. The answer is cat.
Guess the animal. It's seagull. Guess the animal. It's pelican. Guess the animal. It's duck. Guess the animal. It's goose. Guess the animal. It's swan. Guess the animal. It's turkey. Guess the animal. It's chicken. Guess the animal. It's rooster. Guess the animal. It's peacock. Guess the animal. It's flamingo.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal can regrow lost limbs? A. Starfish. B. Crab. C. Salamander. The answer is salamander.
Guess the animal. It's penguin. Guess the animal. It's parrot. Guess the animal. It's macaw. Guess the animal. It's cockatoo. Guess the animal. It's canary. Guess the animal. It's finch. Guess the animal. It's blue jay. Guess the animal. It's cardinal. Guess the animal. It's robin. Guess the animal. It's woodpecker.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal has the strongest sense of smell to find food? A. Dog. B. Bear. C. Fox. The answer is bear.
Guess the animal. It's hummingbird. Guess the animal. It's crane. Guess the animal. It's heron. Guess the animal. It's stork. Guess the animal. It's ostrich. Guess the animal. It's emu. Guess the animal. It's albatross. Guess the animal. It's puffin. Guess the animal. It's vulture. Guess the animal. It's condor.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal can jump farthest relative to its size? A. Flea. B. Kangaroo. C. Grasshopper. The answer is flea.
Now, sea animals. Guess the animal. It's shark. Guess the animal. It's great white shark. Guess the animal. It's whale. Guess the animal. It's blue whale. Guess the animal. It's dolphin. Guess the animal. It's orca. Guess the animal. It's seal. Guess the animal. It's sea lion. Guess the animal. It's walrus. Guess the animal. It's octopus.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal plays dead as a survival tactic? A. Raccoon. B. Skunk. C. Possum. The answer is possum.
Guess the animal. It's squid. Guess the animal. It's jellyfish. Guess the animal. It's starfish. Guess the animal. It's seahorse. Guess the animal. It's crab. Guess the animal. It's lobster. Guess the animal. It's shrimp. Guess the animal. It's clam. Guess the animal. It's oyster. Guess the animal. It's mussel.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal has the longest tusks or teeth? A. Elephant. B. Walrus. C. Hippopotamus. The answer is walrus.
Guess the animal. It's stingray. Guess the animal. It's manta ray. Guess the animal. It's eel. Guess the animal. It's tuna. Guess the animal. It's salmon. Guess the animal. It's trout. Guess the animal. It's swordfish. Guess the animal. It's marlin. Guess the animal. It's sea turtle. Guess the animal. It's manatee.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal can climb trees and wash food in water? A. Moose. B. Deer. C. Raccoon. The answer is raccoon.
Now, reptiles. Guess the animal. It's snake. Guess the animal. It's cobra. Guess the animal. It's python. Guess the animal. It's rattlesnake. Guess the animal. It's lizard. Guess the animal. It's gecko. Guess the animal. It's iguana. Guess the animal. It's chameleon. Guess the animal. It's crocodile. Guess the animal. It's alligator.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal can see almost 360 degrees without moving its head? A. Sheep. B. Goat. C. Horse. The answer is sheep.
Guess the animal. It's tortoise. Guess the animal. It's turtle. Guess the animal. It's Komodo dragon. Guess the animal. It's Gila monster. Guess the animal. It's a knoll. Now, amphibians. Guess the animal. It's frog. Guess the animal. It's toad. Guess the animal. It's salamander. Guess the animal. It's newt. Guess the animal. It's axolotl.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal is the heaviest land mammal? A. Rhino. B. Elephant. C. Hippo. The answer is elephant.
Now, insects. Guess the animal. It's ant. Guess the animal. It's bee. Guess the animal. It's honeybee. Guess the animal. It's butterfly. Guess the animal. It's moth. Guess the animal. It's ladybug. Guess the animal. It's beetle. Guess the animal. It's firefly. Guess the animal. It's dragonfly. Guess the animal. It's grasshopper.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal is the most agile in trees? A. Squirrel. B. Raccoon. C. Monkey. The answer is raccoon.
Guess the animal. It's cricket. Guess the animal. It's mosquito. Guess the animal. It's fly. Guess the animal. It's wasp. Guess the animal. It's hornet. Guess the animal. It's termite. Guess the animal. It's cockroach. Guess the animal. It's praying mantis. Guess the animal. It's aphid. Guess the animal. It's caterpillar.
Animal Facts Challenge. Which animal digs big holes to build homes? A. Fox. B. Otter. C. Beaver. The answer is beaver.
Thanks for playing Quizport. How many did you guess correctly? Subscribe to Quizport and tap the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting quizzes and challenges.